Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro for EBU R128 and YouTube compliance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create or open your existing project. Navigate to the sequence menu at the top of the screen. Select sequence settings from the drop-down. In the sequence settings window, look for the audio section. Set the sample rate to 48 kHz. Ensure the bit depth is set to 24 bits. Click OK to confirm your settings. Next, go to the audio meter panel. If it's not visible, click on Window in the top menu and select Audio Meters. This panel will help you monitor your audio levels. To comply with EBU R128 standards, you will need to adjust your levels. Open the Essential Sound panel. If this panel is not shown, go to Window then select Essential Sound. Select your audio clip in the timeline. Choose the dialogue category in the Essential Sound panel. Check the box for loudness to analyze your audio levels. You will see a loudness measurement with 3 key metrics. Target the integrated loudness to be around -23 LUFS. Adjust the level of your audio clip using the volume control in the timeline. Aim for the true peak level to stay below -1 dBTP for YouTube compliance. If needed, use the Dynamics audio effect to control peaks. Go to the Effects panel and search for Dynamics. Drag the Dynamics effect onto your audio clip. In the Effects control panel, open the Dynamics settings. Enable limit and set your threshold to -1 dBTP. To analyze your audio further, export a short test clip. Go to the File menu and select Export, then Media. Choose the appropriate format, usually H.264 for YouTube. In the Audio tab of the Export settings, make sure sample rate is set to 48 kHz. Adjust the audio bitrate as necessary, typically set to 320 kbps for best quality. Export the clip and check its audio levels using a loudness meter tool. Use a software tool such as Ulean Loudness Meter for accurate measurement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.